Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving week. I literally just got off the plane from Indiana and we have a Stitch Fix for December. I am weak and I decided to get one. So here we go. I don't even know. I don't feel like there's paperwork in here. This is the bundle. And, oh, here we do paperwork. I have the same stylist that I've had for a couple fixes now. Her name is Ashley. If I kept everything, which I really don't think I will, it would be $150, which honestly is not a bad price. We also have a handbag. So, anyway, sorry. Making sure that was something important. My first preview, absolutely terrible, which I really, I know everything's kind of random, whatever. I really do feel like the first preview is just the robots. My second preview, I really do feel like it was a person. I only picked one thing. Anyway, I am excited for a dress in here. I'm afraid it's not going to work, but it is different. And so I'm excited to try it on. I would never pick it off a rack. My only problem is I'm pretty sure it's bodycon and all the lumps and bumps are going to show, but I am excited for that. So let's see what we have. The first top is by Staccato and it has a little knot detail up at the top. Just judging, I'm going to say it's too small. 2 years ago, I have a bunch of clothes that I saved that were extra large Stitch Fix. They fit just fine. I'm really of the mind that Stitch Fix their sizes have shrank or something. Anyway, this is the Staccato Ada twist front top, teal green, extra large. I'm not quite sure I see that as teal green. This is kind of a more like a shapely, I feel like closer to the shape in. So this is $39. It is a thin tee, and I'm fairly sure it's not going to fit. Also, I just want to say, spoiler alert, I'm honest on this channel. If you want somebody that's just perfectly rosy and loves everything, I'm probably not your channel, so keep clicking. Anyway, that's just my little, I feel like I'm going to do that on my next couple videos. I'm going to keep it real. Like I try not to be overly negative, but if I don't like something, I'm going to tell you. Anyway, I do like this. I'm just afraid it's not going to fit. So I'm kind of stuck between two sizes. Extra, extra large, we're getting to be, they were too big most of the time, but for some reason Stitch Fix extra large seems to be too small. This was the item I picked. I asked for statement cardigans, and I guess we just don't have statement cardigans. I don't know. And she didn't send any more cardigans. I really wanted a couple cardigans, so I chose this one, and this is Pinque. I don't know. Pinque, extra large. I don't know. It's kind of, the printing is not there. Saja Videk. This is olive extra large, $49. And it's kind of a cropped. I really like the green. I really like the button details. We will see. I'm hoping it fits. This one's looking more like it'll fit. I hope it's not too cropped. I really like the scalloped edge here. So I really like this. Let me see the material. I really hope it works. I really am wanting a statement cardigan. So polyester and spandex. Fingers crossed. I'm a little sad like we don't have cardigans. I don't know how we're in the middle of winter and they didn't have cardigans. I've been watching this one. This one I had saved to my, whatever those are, saved to my looks. Pink Clover. This is a super soft, this is almost feeling like a workout material. I love this color. I love the sleeves. Not a super fan that there's a seam down the back, but I love this color and it is just so soft. Now this is, oh, the inside is a different material than the outside, or like a different texture. But, so I was getting ready to say it's not as soft. I would say it's not quite as soft, but it's also still soft. So I'm hoping this fits. I really like this one. And Pink Clover, I don't know. I feel like their names have gone off the charts. Navia rolled sleeve knit tee. This is, I don't feel like this is navy at all. They're calling it navy, but I do love this. Almost like a denim blue. And this is $39. So I really like this. I hope it works. Now, here is the dress. And like I said, I'm excited to try this because it's new. I've never tried a dress like this. I would never pick it off the racks. And it's cheap. Like, that also worries me, I'll tell you that. But this is the Fortunate Ivy Morgana collar dress, extra, extra large, $34.99. But I specifically, when I asked for dresses, midi length, and all the ones in my first preview were, and my second preview were bodycon, and I absolutely do not want bodycon. And this to me is bodycon. And so I'm just pretty much thinking every lump and bump is showing. So it is a ribbed material, and there are buttons. But you can just see how kind of small it is, that I'm really, like, the ribs are meant to stretch. And I really just think we're going to have every lump and bump. So I love the idea of this dress. I like the color. I can't believe this is $34.99. This is very thick material. It feels nice. I'm also afraid that it's cheap, so it's not going to be cut well. I don't know. I really like this, and I'm excited to try it on. But I have lots of lumps and bumps down my back, down my tummy. And so, pretty sure that's not going to work. Also, all right, we have a handbag. Now, I appreciate what she was doing. I have several handbags loved or hearted, and she was going to match those. I just feel like the things I'm drawn to are not in the Arizona warehouse. I would gladly pay, I don't know, $3 extra, maybe $5 extra to have them ship from a warehouse that has my stuff. Just from the preview, I don't like this purse, but I'm going to give it a chance. So Market and Spruce Madison fold over shoulder bag, $65. And so it's similar-ish to what I was asking for, but I don't think it's for me. I don't know. We will see. So it is kind of a large handbag. I don't know. This is a very soft. I really do love the material. Of course, it's a faux, basically plastic. And it's fold over with a snap. It has black and white lining on the inside. Zipper pocket. Again, I do love the material. But I don't know. It's better in person than I thought. And when you pull the zip, you can see more of the black stripe. And that's an actual semi-functioning pocket, but I think it's more just like a detail. I don't know if you would leave it unzipped. I do love that there is a pocket back here for your cell phone, although anymore I'm pretty much cell phone in my pocket, but I would love to put my keys there. So I do love that aspect. And like I said, this material is so soft. It feels very nice. I think I like the other purses I have saved better. I don't know. Like, it's not as bad as I thought it was. I don't even think I'm going to take the top strap off. This is definitely just a shoulder bag. You could not do crossbody. I don't know. Like, for whatever reason, this is just, I don't know. Reading 20 years ago, I don't even want to really say older lady. I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not the ones I had starred, loved, whatever. So I do appreciate that she was trying to match what I wanted. The other ones, I did have a couple black saved, but I also really like more of the cognac brown. And so that's really what I kind of had my heart set on. So this, it's going back for 65 bucks. Anyway, let's get to the try on and see what we think. All right, this is the first top from Stitch Fix. I really don't know who this necklace goes, but I just got this in Indiana for 12 bucks, so I thought I would throw it on. This is the pink clover, I think the Navia rolled sleeve, a knit tee, navy, $39, extra large. I love the sleeves. I love the color. I don't think it's navy. I will say this is a little bit long. I don't think it's terrible, but I don't like longer tops. So it definitely is longer. I like it better folded up. And I think this is a material that will stay. So I don't think that bothers me. I actually really like this. So I think this is a keeper. I like it. Tell me, I don't know if this necklace goes or not, but I feel like this is a top that is definitely more casual in nature, but it could be dressed up and dressed down. And again, maybe a silver necklace would make more sense. But I love the material. It is so soft and I like the shape. I think it's a good shape. I like the short sleeves. So this top, I feel like it's a winner and it will stay with me. I like it. I am back with the next top. I'm not quite sure how I feel about this knot. It almost looks like somebody yanked my top down and then put a knot. I do love the color. As I predicted, it is too tight. It's showing lumps and bumps. It is a thin, so staccato Agia twist front top, $39. It's just it's too tight. And you know, it kind of, I think it's mainly the thin material is just showing lumps and bumps. So I just don't think sizing up would help. And again, like I don't mind this, but I'm not quite sure how I feel. So this is just a no because it's thin and it's just, I think, showing all of the lumps and bumps. All right. This one, I need sorry, there's a cat in our yard outside the window, distracting me. Anyway, I need your advice on this. This is the only top I have to wear under this sweater. I know navy and green go together, but what color tank should be better? This tank was like $4 at Walmart. What do we think? I will say the sleeves feel itchy. I really want this to work, but I'm questioning the navy. What is the navy? What did I tell you guys this fabric was? Why is it itchy? Polyester and spandex, I don't feel like it should be itchy. And I don't feel like it's so itchy that I would be like, no. But I'm not sure I'm sold on the navy. What do you guys think? How much is this? Let's see. This is $49. I don't know. I love the buttons. I will say that I'm afraid it's, like, I'm interested how will this pull apart as I sit, because I don't want it to pull apart. I don't know. What do you guys think? Keeper, not keeper? If I kept it, do I need to do another color? I'm not quite sure how I feel about this sticking out. I might try tucking it in. For whatever reason, I don't think I'm loving the navy. Let's just pull that up out of the way. I don't think if I got a cream one, I would like it better. I don't know. Do we like it better with the blue knot at the bottom? Yeah, I kind of think I like it better with the blue hanging out the bottom. I don't know. This is one where I really want it to work, but I don't know if I'm sold. What color? Black? Because I just don't think cream, like a brown. I don't know how many colors the Walmart tanks come in. I don't know. What are we thinking? Maybe because it's not an obvious yes, that makes it a no. For whatever reason, I really want this to work. We've kind of gotten into cold weather and I'm gotten colder. So I could definitely use a long sleeve. Anyway, I could definitely use your help. I think it's the navy throwing me. Otherwise, I think I like it. I will say it is a little itchy, but I do love the overall pattern. I really like that. I really love the buttons. What do you guys think? Keep, not keep? What color would look better? Definitely would love some advice on this one. Please help. All right, I am back with the dress, and I knew the dress was going to have issues, and I think the collar is all funny. So let's ignore the collar. This is probably as good as it's going to get. So I often say from here up, I like something. I knew this dress was going to have issues when its price tag was $34.99. The stitching on the skirt is atrocious. On the sides, like coming down, it is like a wonky stitching. And it's like bodycon. It's just, you have to be comfortable showing your shape. And that is awesome for anybody that can do that. I just can't. And I just knew for $34.99, this was not, there was going to be issues. I think the material is nice. I think the concept is nice. I really like how this looks. I just knew for $34.99, it just wasn't going to work. And I'm not quite sure it's going to come out, but it is like wonky down here. I can see it in the mirror. And again, you're seeing, I have a big apron. I've gained 75 pounds, lost 75 pounds, recently lost 40. I've had a baby. We have a big apron, and we also have back things going on. I don't know. I hope you can see it in the camera, how the stitching makes this wonky part here. And so I just don't do bodycon. It's not my sort of thing. So it kind of comes in, for some reason, I feel like almost like a Morticia Addams sort of a thing. And I really hope you can see the stitching. It is just wonky down the side. I can't tell in the viewfinder whether you can see the wonky stitching. I think this had potential for somebody. Oh, say hello. We have a cat. Anyway, you can see all of my unpacking craziness, but we have Spirit the cat. Oh, we actually have both cats on the bed. So I think this is where I feel like, I think Stitch Fix is trying to be better at pricing. This is where I feel like you spend $5 more and you really stitch it nicely. Nobody's gonna buy this with it wonky down here. I think from here up, like if this was an A-line, if this went here and then went out, I would probably snag this up, no second thoughts. I love the color, I love the buttons, I love the collar, but I just don't like the skirt. All the lumps and bumps. Anyway, I desperately need your help. This particular top, I believe, is an absolute easy yes. I really like it. This can be casual. It can be a little bit dressed up. Let me know, was that necklace good or not? But this is an easy yes. This is staying. This top is an easy no. Two kind of bodycon, and I'm not in love with it. I really need help with this guy. Today I have to go to Walmart, get groceries, whatever. So I will look and see what other things we have. This is one where I really want it to work, but does it work? And what color tank should go with it? I want it to work, but I think maybe that's a sign that I don't need it. Is that it? Oh, then we have the purse, which to me is just a no. Let me know. I do love the material. I wish I loved this, but for whatever reason, it's not bad. And like I said, I love the quality. It's just reading mom handbag, which I know I'm a mom, but I think it reads like my mom would carry this kind of a thing. And I just don't love it. So anyway, I'm so happy to be back. And I need your help. What do I keep? What do I not keep? Anyway, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving week, and I will talk to you soon.